Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna start this baby for the first time. I already started it earlier to kind of run the oil pump and kind of go through with oil and prime it and all that stuff, good stuff. I still have to mount the bracket for the battery. I'm servicing the coolant as well while I'm gonna run. So here we go. First time start after two years and something. Let's do it. Alright, hopefully you can hear me, but there she is. After 2-something years, she is finally running, and really excited about that. The only thing that I still have to do is the downstream O2 sensor. I have to attach that one, and yeah, she should be ready. She should be going pretty soon. The rims are inside here waiting. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that should be done too. And yeah, I'm super excited. And some minor things with power steering and AC, I gotta do that as well. I already tested the transmission, and let me show you. Oh, I gotta put it in reverse. There it is, it's spinning in reverse. I'm gonna put it in neutral. It should stop. There we go, it stopped. Put it in drive, and it spins forward. So and the RPMs, I keep getting the battery. I think that's because probably my alternator is not charging. I gotta figure that out, see if that's the alternator or something else. But yeah, let me turn her off. She's been already running for a while. I still have, like I said, put the battery bracket, put the bumper. New bumper is coming. I'm gonna paint that and put it on there, and I got smaller things to fix that I scratched on the putting the engine and all that. So yeah, no big deal. Yeah, super excited. Finally, the fenders are going on there. Gotta do those. Tested them already, fitment and all that. They look really good. Just like I said, a little bit work here and there just to make it fit better. So I don't know what else to say. Like I said, super happy. The reason why it's kind of loud is because I already said it. The O2 sensor, the downstream one, is actually there is none. So I gotta purchase one more for that and then do that. Other than that, guys, this whole rebuild and whole process has been documented on eBay, on YouTube. And if you need any questions regarding all this stuff that I did to her, let me know. Hit me up. I'll be more than happy to help you. She has a transmission redone as well. I'm in the process of uploading. I already uploaded. I just have to kind of sort it out and let episode by episode. Brambos, they look amazing. So yeah. Anyway, like I said, I have a few more things to do, starting with the power steering and the AC, then over here windshield wiper, whole thing with the fluid as well as the wipers. Put the hood, put the fenders, put the tires and rims on, and then put the trunk glass on, put the fender, bumper, paint that, and yeah, she's ready to roll out. I really appreciate you guys staying and checking things out with me and helping me out on the way as well. And I'm hoping that I helped as well to some of you. I really enjoy helping people regarding the Eclipse or pretty much anything else. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that. Make sure, of course, you like it, share, subscribe if you're new. Put some comments down below if you need something, and stay safe, guys. Laters.